We've just acquired this Volvo R-Design diesel. It has exceptionally high specification on it. It's in lovely condition. Alloy wheels are unmarked. It's a beautiful silver bluey grey colour. It's got the sunroof, tilt and slide. Got the park sensors, also has a rear camera on it. Twin exhausts, R-Design body styling kit. So we've got full electric windows, mirrors. If we go inside the car, start it up. It's done 103,849 miles. Got heated seats, automatic, got lane assist, cruise control. It's in lovely condition. Do have satellite navigation, reverse camera, bear with me, just getting to the navigation. Half leather interior, R-Design. There you go, satellite navigation. Aux and USB. Electric tilt side sunroof, as I've already said. It's a very high specification S60 R-Design. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.